Hello, welcome to the Crecco Perspective, where on this channel we talk about current events, faith, and finances. Today I want to talk to you about finances. So there are two things that I want to discuss. So one is financial education and financial literacy. So financial education is, where you're taught to get a job and then, work and then retire. I mean, it's more than that, but that's just a broad kind of concept, definition that I'm giving you. Financial literacy is understanding money and how it works. And basically, it's income and expenses, assets and liabilities. So that breaks down to income and expenses are found on the income statement, and assets and liabilities are found on the balance sheet. Now, typically, when you have a W-2 job, you're focusing on income on the income statement, and typically you have liabilities like a car payment, credit card debt, and a mortgage. And so you go to work, you get paid, that's your income. Then you have liabilities on the bottom, and you have to pay those, and then you pay them on the expense side. Now, with financial literacy and understanding it a little deeper, you can either have a business or be an investor. And there's nothing wrong with having a job. I'm just giving you some tips if you want to kind of move to the next level. So business owner and investor is same thing, income statement and balance sheet, but here's the difference. So a business owner or an investor, there's no income from a job. So on your income statement, you don't have any income from a W-2, but down on the balance sheet, what you have is you have a list of assets, whether it's a business, stocks, real estate, royalties, whatever that income is. And so your income comes in from there. And what it does is it then goes up into the income column section of the income statement. And then from there, you pay your expenses. So let me give you an example of a rental property. It's fairly easy to understand. So now I have a rental property that is producing, $5,000 a month. And my expenses are $4,000 a month all in. And I put $1,000 in my pocket. Now I take that $1,000, which is produced from my asset column, and it flows to my income. Now that $1,000 a month from that property is produced whether I go to work or not. That comes automatically because tenants have to pay their rent. Now, the assets is really what is the best area to focus on. So as you build your assets, you can continue to build your passive income and cash flow. So anyway, this is very basic and very broad, but I wanted to come in just talk a little bit about finances today. Now, if you're interested in learning about real estate investing and trading options on the stock market, then, like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what else you'd want to hear about on this channel. What other topic regarding current events, faith, and finances. Okay, well, I hope you found that helpful, and we'll see you next time. Bye.